Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to access your start solenoid. First, you're going to need to take your seat off. Once you have that off, you need to come up here and take this 8mm nut off here. And then you need to come in with your 8 right here. Take that one off. And then you're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver or bit. This is the Phillips head screwdriver or bit. You're going to need to undo this one, to the front, and you're going to need to take this one off. This one right here, if I can get to it. And then this last one down here at the bottom as well. Then you're going to want to come back over here. There's a Phillips head screw right here up top next to the gas tank you need to take off. And then I would also suggest taking this rear screw off right here. And then once you pop that up like that, you just want to move that out of your way. Then you're going to come back with your 8mm again. Take this socket off, that nut off, and then gently just lift it up like this, and your whole side fairing will come off. And your start solenoid is right here. It's the red and black. When you pull these the red and black cap off, you just need to, depending on what you're doing, either cross it or it's a 10mm nut on there. And that's it.